Hi. Wanted to show how awesome nature is. First, look at this tree. Is this not the most beautiful tree you've ever seen? Look at those leaves. Like hot pink. But what I want to show is this. So these trees were cut down. And this tree was like, forget you. I'm going to, out of the crack here, create a new base to grow new trees from. So you can see over here, they're already getting pretty big. See that base that it created down there? This one's even bigger. Look how big that one's already gotten. It's like my hand. And then that cool little base that nature is awesome. That's all. Have a great day.